really believe that the work that I'm doing, it's not for me, it's for future generations. I'm planting trees whose shade I may never enjoy, but my kids might. I live here in Austin, Texas, just outside of Austin at Kintsugi Ranch. I've been wanting to do solar here for a couple of years now. For me, it's a story of sovereignty and independence, and I want to store a lot of value here on the land. Not only do we have rainwater catchment and are we storing seeds, but I also want to store energy.
And then these babies, the Tesla power walls.
I feel extremely empowered, no pun intended, to have an energy source that isn't coming from a centralized grid. And we're here in Texas, so there's actually been a couple of years now where the entire grid was in jeopardy of totally collapsing. I feel much better knowing that if there is a power outage, that we'll be okay, we'll be safe here. We have an infinitely renewable resource of energy, which is coming from the sun. I see solar as an investment in the future. Not only are you cutting down on your electricity bill, what you actually now take control for yourself, ability to dictate where your energy comes from, to choose how we live. If I can get out of my ego and my immediate gratification in this moment, but I can think into the future and I can feel into the quality of life for my children and their children and great-grandchildren, and that's how I decide what I'm going to do from one moment to the next.